Okay. So, hold on a second. Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Um, my name is Angela. I'm an occupational therapy student at Trinity Washington University.
Okay.
Um, so are you familiar with OT at all?
Just a little.
So I'll just give you a brief rundown really quickly. So basically, as OTs and OT students, we're learning how to um, just kind of like assess things that kind of help with like day-to-day functioning. Um, so today I am going to be giving you an assessment. It is called the contextual memory
Okay.
test. Um, it's just like a memory assessment. There's two sections. One is immediate recall, and then one is delayed recall. Um,
hmm
so I'm going to show you like some pictures based in like set in like a certain scene, and then I'll ask you to recall the items like immediately after. And then we'll take like a 15-minute break. You feel free to do whatever you need to do.
hmm
And I'll ask you to recall the same items. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
hmm
Sounds good. Okay. I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay.
And then there's some things that we are gonna have to fill out, but we can do it together. Can you see this? Might be kind of
Um,
because
no, yeah, a little bit
okay. Okay. Do you have glasses?
in the car.
It's okay.
hmm
Um, just gonna give you okay. Would you like to fill out all of the like all these ethnicity and all that?
Yeah, you can.
And what's your ethnicity? What's your ethnicity?
Black,
Your age
62,
and gender,
female.
years of education.
I went to college. I got a degree. So I
Um,
guess beyond high school or
so I
college
have
education.
numbers. I have less than eight, eight, nine.
I guess less than 8. Did you go to college for 4 years?
Okay. Thanks. Um, the healthy adult,
Just I take high blood pressure medicine.
but no like brain injury.
No, no, no.
Um, and compared to others your age, how would you describe your memory? Would you describe it as above average, average, below average, or significantly below average?
I would say average.
And if you study 20 objects for a minute and a half, how many do you think you'd be able to remember?
I don't know. It depends on the objects.
Can you
Not
give me
sure.
a ballpark
Maybe
number?
maybe all of them. Half, or I'm gonna say half.
Okay, 10. All right. Okay.
Yeah, I left my glasses in the car. I didn't realize I would need my glasses.
Okay. Okay. So you're gonna see some pictures. If you need to get closer, that's fine. But try to remember as many of them as you can. You'll have 90
Okay.
seconds to study
Okay.
them.
Okay.
And then after the 90 seconds, I will ask you to um tell me what you can remember.
Okay.
All right. And then let me know if you're not sure what the name of the object is.
Okay.
Get all these in view. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen
Hmm.
for a second. And hold on, let me see if I can. Oh, don't do that. Come to the right and then put you here. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
You ready?
yeah. Tell me what you remember.
A fork, a knife, a spoon, napkins, a coffee cup,
Mhm.
a sugar holder, cream holder,
You're going really bad.
a calculator, credit cards, a Coke, a glass with a straw out of it, a person with holding something in their hands, um, a salad, a flower, um, a salad, a flower, sandwich. Um, it, I don't know what it was. It could have been like an iPad or something. It was a menu, a menu. Um, I said salad. I said credit cards. Coke. Okay. How many did I remember?
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do this again. Compared to others your age, how would you describe your memory on this task?
Average.
And how many objects did you remember?
I gotta tell you how many I remembered.
I have to go back and look.
Okay, I remembered the credit cards, the soda, the fork, the spoon, the knife, the person holding something in their hand, the calculator, the menu, the flour, um, the napkins. That's 10. Um, the sandwiches, the cake, the salad. That's 13.
And how many were there altogether?
It was 20, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
And when you were studying the pictures, what did you do to try to help you remember?
I tried to put them in, like store them in my memory, like concentrate on them, like store them in my memory.
Mhm. Did you think of a place or a scene to help you remember?
Mm, not really.
Mhm. Okay, so you've already completed the immediate recall. Now we're gonna go on to part two, which is the delayed recall.
Okay.
Um, so what that means is there's gonna be like a 15-minute gap, or
Mm,
there's gonna be 15 minutes, and you're gonna have to recall those images again.
okay.
But feel free, do what you need to do.
Okay.
Um,
Are you going to show them to me again, or I just got to remember them?
no, you just have to remember.
Okay.
Well, yeah,
Okay.
feel free to do what you need to do. I'm going to
Okay.
start the timer now, and I'm going to
Okay.
pause the recording, but when we come back, I'll continue, okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay. Okay, welcome back.
Okay.
Can you see my screen? You can't see my screen, right?
Yeah. No, I can't see a screen.
Okay,
I
okay.
can see you.
But you can't see like what I'm, okay, okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so now we're going to continue.
Okay.
This is delayed recall. So a
Okay.
little while ago, I showed you it's a set of 20 pictures.
Hmm.
And then can you tell me or list the items that you remember again?
The person was standing with something in their hand.
Mm-hmm.
It was a glass with a straw, I guess like a lemonade or something.
Mm-hmm.
Napkins, a fork, a spoon, a knife,
Mm-hmm.
a salad, a flour, a calculator, a menu, sandwich, dessert, um, a Coke, credit cards, um, Coke, credit card, salad. Yeah. I said calculator, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
you checking them. Credit cards, the sandwich, the dessert. Um, hmm, that's it. I think I probably remember the exact same stuff.
Oh my goodness, now my it's not letting me. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, so compared to others your age, how would you describe your memory on this task, like the delayed portion of the recall?
I was just average.
Yeah. And how many objects did you remember?
I'm gonna say maybe 15, 13, 15, something like that. Did you count them?
I forgot to count.
Okay.
But
So it was
it gives me a score sheet at the end. And then how many
okay,
objects were there altogether?
20.
And how were you able to remember the items for the delayed recall?
Well, first I tried to remember them in the order in which I saw them.
Mhm.
Even for the short term, I tried to remember them in the order that I saw them.
Okay.
So I was looking from left to right, if that helps you.
Oh, yeah. Was there anything else or is that it?
That's it. Yep, I looked left to right and I tried to remember, recall in the order in which I saw them.
And did you think of a place or a scene this time that helped you remember?
No, I just was so focused in on what I saw, trying to remember what I saw while I was in the waiting period.
Okay. Okay.
That's
Well,
it?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
that is all for
What's
me.
my score?
You are, oh my goodness. What's a lot? I can go over it with you.
At a later date.
Yeah, I can
Hmm.
go over it with you. I just won't
Okay.
like have the full recording.
Okay.
Over it with you.
Okay. Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I will. Thanks for being my client. Thanks for working
Okay.
with me.
Well, anytime.
And